Did you know your liver is one of the most hard-working organs in your body, responsible for filtering toxins, aiding digestion, and storing nutrients? But with our modern lifestyles, it's easy for the liver to become overwhelmed. Cleaning out your liver is essential for several reasons. Number 1. Detoxification. The liver is responsible for detoxifying the body by filtering out toxins from the blood. Over time, exposure to pollutants, chemicals, and unhealthy substances can overload the liver, hindering its ability to function optimally. Regularly cleaning out the liver helps remove accumulated toxins and supports its detoxification processes. Number 2. Liver health. A healthy liver is crucial for overall well-being. It plays a vital role in digestion, metabolism, nutrient storage, and immune function. By keeping your liver clean and functioning well, you can prevent liver diseases such as fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. Number 3. Improved digestion. A clean liver promotes better digestion. It produces bile, a substance essential for breaking down fats and absorbing nutrients. When the liver is clogged with toxins, bile production and flow can be compromised, leading to digestive issues like bloating, constipation, and nutrient deficiencies. Number 4. Boosted energy levels. A sluggish liver can contribute to feelings of fatigue and low energy. By detoxifying and supporting liver health, you can experience increased energy levels and overall vitality. Number 5. Weight management. The liver plays a role in metabolizing fats and sugars. A clean and healthy liver is more efficient at processing these nutrients, which can aid in weight management and reduce the risk of obesity-related liver conditions. Number 6. Prevention of liver diseases. Regularly cleaning out your liver can help prevent liver diseases and complications. By reducing the burden of toxins and supporting liver function, you can lower the risk of developing conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, liver inflammation, and liver damage. Number 7. Overall health and longevity. A healthy liver is essential for longevity and overall health. It impacts various bodily functions and contributes to a strong immune system. Taking care of your liver through regular cleaning and detoxification can support your overall well-being and promote a longer, healthier life. Let's talk about some of the best and worst foods for your liver health, so you can give this vital organ the support it needs. The best foods for a healthy liver. Number 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are fantastic for your liver. They are packed with antioxidants and chlorophyll, which help cleanse the liver by neutralizing heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides. Plus, they're easy to incorporate into your diet. Try adding a handful to your morning smoothie or making a fresh salad for lunch. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic is a powerhouse when it comes to liver health. It contains selenium, a mineral that boosts antioxidant levels in the liver, and allicin, which has natural detoxifying properties. Even a small amount of garlic can activate liver enzymes that help flush out toxins. So, don't shy away from adding a few cloves to your meals. Number 3. Turmeric. This golden spice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric helps boost the liver's detoxification process by increasing the production of bile and improving overall liver function. Try incorporating turmeric into your cooking, like in curries or even a warm cup of turmeric tea. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea is rich in catechins, antioxidants that improve liver function and reduce fat buildup. Drinking green tea regularly can help protect your liver from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. Enjoy a cup or two a day for the best benefits. Number 5. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is high in vitamin C and antioxidants like naringenin, which help protect the liver from damage and reduce inflammation. It also boosts the natural cleansing processes of the liver. Have a fresh grapefruit for breakfast or enjoy it as a refreshing snack. The worst foods for your liver. Number 1. Alcohol. It's no surprise that alcohol tops the list of worst foods for your liver. Excessive drinking can lead to fatty liver disease, inflammation, and liver scarring, cirrhosis. If you do drink, try to limit your intake and give your liver time to recover by having alcohol-free days. Number 2. Sugary foods. Foods high in sugar, such as candy, soda, and baked goods, can lead to fat buildup in the liver, contributing to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. It's important to keep your sugar intake in check and opt for natural sweeteners like fruit. Number 3. Fried foods. Fried foods are often high in unhealthy fats and calories, which can strain the liver and lead to fat accumulation. Regular consumption of fried foods can also increase the risk of obesity, which is a major risk factor for liver disease. Try baking or grilling your food instead. Number 4. Processed foods. Processed foods, like lunch meats, sausages, and canned goods, often contain preservatives and high levels of sodium, which can be harmful to your liver. These additives can lead to inflammation and fatty liver disease. Choose fresh, whole foods whenever possible. Number 5. Excessive salt. Too much salt in your diet can lead to fluid retention and liver damage. Processed and packaged foods are often high in sodium, so it's important to read labels and opt for low-sodium options. Cooking at home allows you to control the amount of salt you use. To improve liver health, certain supplements have shown potential benefits, although strong evidence is lacking for their effectiveness in individuals with normal liver function. 3 types of supplements that may be beneficial for liver health include: Number 1. Milk thistle supplement. Milk thistle is a popular herbal supplement known for its potential benefits in supporting liver health. The active ingredient in milk thistle is silymarin, a compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies suggest that silymarin may help protect liver cells from damage caused by toxins and inflammation. It is often used as a complementary treatment for liver conditions such as hepatitis and cirrhosis. However, more research is needed to fully understand its effectiveness and optimal dosage for different liver conditions. Number 2. Turmeric supplement. Turmeric, a spice commonly used in cooking, contains a compound called curcumin that has been studied for its potential protective effects on the liver. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may help reduce liver inflammation and prevent liver damage. Some research suggests that turmeric supplementation may benefit individuals with liver diseases such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and liver fibrosis. Incorporating turmeric into your diet or taking curcumin supplements may support overall liver health. Number 3. Dandelion root powder. Dandelion root has been traditionally used in herbal medicine to support liver health and aid digestion. Dandelion root powder is believed to have diuretic properties that can help the liver eliminate toxins more efficiently. It may also promote bile production, which aids in the digestion of fats and the removal of waste from the liver. While scientific evidence supporting the use of dandelion root powder for liver health is limited, some studies suggest that it may have potential benefits in reducing liver inflammation and improving liver function. Tips for supporting liver health. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for liver health. Water helps flush toxins out of the body and supports the liver's filtering process. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to keep your liver in top shape. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity helps reduce liver fat and inflammation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Activities like walking, swimming, and cycling are great for overall health. Number 3. Maintain a healthy weight. Carrying excess weight, especially around the abdomen, can increase the risk of liver disease. Eating a balanced diet and staying active can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce liver fat. Number 4. Limit toxins. Try to minimize your exposure to environmental toxins such as household chemicals, pesticides, and pollutants. Use natural cleaning products, wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly, and avoid smoking to reduce the burden on your liver. Number 5. Get regular checkups. Regular medical checkups can help monitor liver health and catch any issues early. Blood tests can assess liver function and detect any abnormalities. If you have risk factors for liver disease, such as a family history or a history of alcohol abuse, be sure to discuss this with your doctor. Taking care of your liver is crucial for overall health and well-being. By incorporating liver-friendly foods into your diet and avoiding those that can cause harm, you can support your liver's function and ensure it stays healthy for years to come. Remember, small changes in your diet and lifestyle can make a big difference in liver health. So, start today and give your liver the love it deserves. You can also check out my other video that talks about 11 fruits that cleanse your kidney fast. CKD. Did you find this video helpful? Please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for additional informative content. We appreciate your support very much.